Where? Choo choo. Banana.
Oh man, it's gone. Hey, I really like the part. What's your favorite type of cat? I like exotic short hairs and Scottish fold.
Hey, Easy.
I like tiger. Oh, that's really cool. Thank you. I love sandwiches too. What's your favorite? Like, you like Subway or like? I like Subway. It's really good.
You're a loser.
Oh, I'm sorry, bro.
Fight me.
Miranda, I'm so happy I've been spending all this time with you.
Oh, Logan, me too.
Miranda, I'm leaving you for your sister.
What did you say? How dare you?
Why does nobody seem to love me?
But I love you, Logan.
Who said that? I love you too.
Who are you talking to?
Huh?
Who are you talking to?